Go.
See?
I almost farted. Did you almost pop my ass?
I almost farted.
It's not even funny.
I don't want to deal with the doors.
That was fucking hilarious. Go fight!
I don't want to swing to a doors for this thing.
This is the best fake door.
I want to play. I want to play.
Okay.
1,000.
Woo!
I guess we'll play cards after.
See how long you set.
Go.
He's not even picking up random things up the floor, just putting it in here.
Go. Do you have any purple dice?
I have one of my original purple ones.
I'm gonna head out to Twin Suns in a little bit.
Shit, oh my god.
Okay.
Purple.
Wait, if I do this, he gets.
That's what happens.
No. Chibi token.
I have things that don't matter.
For a Caius.
Okay.
Attack.
These two white ones.
I'm so ugly.
Okay. Light blue. Two greens.
You won't
Two
do it.
clears.
Rare summon.
And pretty dice.
Okay.
Grab a bounce.
What do you have, book?
I'll take them in bed.
Yeah.
Attack, book.
They're going in that deck box anyway, so. Yeah. I should also have a Tory set. Wait. You want me to card first?
Because of your
Go.
things.
But I think I have the
Sure.
Right?
There's Spanish dudes probably in your house.
Terabyte.
I don't know where.
Alumnite. Actually, no.
See, I have a
This is level 4.
If not,
Oh, is it?
Oh, no, Alumnite is level 4.
Okay.
sun is
You're such a cheater.
Oh, I perfect.
Yes.
If only you could... No, this is a scenario where I wish they had a trap card called Archetype Surgery. You call an archetype and all cards you control are
I just got a
that.
jag in that pole so I can get it back. Damn, I missed. I should have. This should be an attack position.
His defense is 15.
I know. Fuck.
Oh yeah,
This is damage I'm missing.
I forgot. Oh yeah, I have a gold.
No!
1,000.
There's these if you want. Here.
If it's 2.
I'll be bitch, I'll be bitch. I'll be bitch.
I honestly have no idea this deck.
But there.
I haven't started.
Now he has the curl. Perfect. Target.
Oh, you can only get one more card. You can only get one more card. You can only get one more card.
Fourth game.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh,
There can only be one Highlander.
Oh, dick everywhere.
They keep saying it's not a prequel. It's like, how is that not a prequel?
2 ass left?
Chad, have you heard this song?
Oh, you can only get one card.
Or have you heard it yet?
No.
Does he have Darkhold? Because that would suck.
Oh!
Set. Go.
Ah, damn it.
MST.
Chad has that, I don't have.
Yeah, MST. Yeah, MST.
Come back, kid.
Yeah, MST all day.
Yeah.
Fucking MSTs.
MST all
You
day.
need to top a Soul Taker.
Was he in
I already
defense?
died. Yes, he was in defense.
Attack, go.
There's the gold space.
That is a terrible job. Go.
Do you have an old one?
I had 2 golds.
And then I still have metal in this grave.
Go.
I love this.
Wide shot?
So it wins in the game.
Go.
I need like something to rest my hand on.
Go ahead.
Just call Ratty.
It's so tiring.
Well, I'm gonna have sharks next time you call that.
Yay, it worked.
Yeah.
Drew an MST. Damn.
God damn it, camera. Picking up the backpack.
That or Monster.
Reaper.
So I think Vegas knows what deck you want to play.
Yeah, this one's without Drgons. The one that's finalist.
I kind of want to build Bubble Beat with the way I built on Dueling Eric.
Cass has Drgons? Cass has one Drgons?
Here's Drgons. The one that Kids is using a Rob actually bottle.
I also want to try to build Dino Rabbit without rabbits.
Graveyard.
And just
Okay, whatever.
Just play 3 Swing of Memories and 3 Silent Doom.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, what should I grab?
Stack 2. Stack 2 in the middle.
Really?
You won't do it.
Okay.
Biggest thing that. You're gonna get the search off.
Actually, what am I doing?
When the rabbit comes back, and then special sharp.
Oh, you can special shark off the rabbit?
I'm pretty sure.
At least you can only get one if I do that. Hold on. What's in the grave?
Okay.
Oh, I guess I can never do it.
Really?
It's fine. Ugh.
Yeah.
Don't search yet. Changes level.
I'll take
Why
it.
change this level?
Swing.
Oh, this
50,
effect goes
52,
off when
53.
over heat. Just like how it goes off with
Ronnie, you missed earlier.
Go.
I finished chaining Old Shark.
Okay, it's off
Hey, Chad.
making it.
How important was that rabbit to you?
I don't know.
Okay, just wondering.
So take it.
Put him.
Right?
You guys are just a bunch of ripping little fuckers, you know that?
Hey, he rips, I rip back. I rip back.
What a beat Chad if you just said
Do
that.
I still have a rat in my deck?
But
Why would I send
He had a back row
carriers
card. I
back?
went into rabbit, and if I would have went Dolphin instead of Logia, I would have won. But I went Logia because he had a back row. And then he picks up the card out when he drew, and I was like, what the fuck? Like, it's a monster. And I was like, fuck you.
You're a cheater.
Like, I wanted kids to.
That wasn't even in finals. That was playtesting after finals.
Just choose your 5 cards already, Chad.
But not finals. That wasn't even in top 4. I
I'm
don't
not
know
playing
what,
top 4.
what were we playing. Last round?
Yeah.
Last round.
Yeah.
That was after we already played the match.
No, you're just being
I have this, and I'm searching for factory.
I'm trying to figure out what I
I
can
think I
do
just
to
realized
over
something, but I'm not
these
completely sure. I think Chad had a really good play, but he fucked it up.
No.
bitches. Probably. I don't care.
Wait, his effect on coming in counts as his effect, as an effect for factory to switch off.
I want more
Okay,
cards
so
that can
he's
search
still a
my
4-star.
shit.
Then I can search magician.
I don't care about carriers.
You're almost up.
I just need to make like I need like a dark hole and a 3-star.
When does it feel for anything? It's your deck, too.
What?
Why? You need dark hole
I've been running Executor's app before this.
I mean a magician.
Dark hole smashing. Dark hole smashing.
That Executor deck was full.
Going for sure.
Didn't need tour guides.
Draw that warning.
Is this stuff?
You stole that like 2 hours ago.
I hate you, Vegas.
Draw the warning.
What about this?
Oh.
And that's how you get your
Do it, Chad.
Okay.
Do it. Do it. Yeah, the other way is not going to do me anything because it has to go
Yeah, I get
on.
kill it, so you can just bring it back.
Yeah.
We have fair shot. You might be
I
okay.
think she asked me.
You're not okay. You're not okay. He's got a shot right here.
Because this is the ultimate cockblock master.
Yeah, you have a thing engraved too.
I can't get over Nascalon. What can I get over Nascalon?
Should we just keep bringing out monsters?
Stall that with acid bomb.
And I lose, I can't win.
No, just go for it.
Unless Chad draws a creature swap.
I get the hunter right away.
If he hits my shit, it'd be okay.
Metal.
They're topping on each other like a bitch, and it's fucking hilarious.
It's pretty funny. Like if Vegas does again, I'll consider buying him
Structure
something.
Lesser is rank 3. He takes 2
Battle.
Fat Reaper.
and negates your effects. So he can negate that as image.
Wow.
Right over it.
Jinx number rate.
Great rate.
No, it's not bro rate.
What are you thinking about? Can I just go?
Wow, that's the exact picture of the structure deck.
Shark, that. For real?
Terabyte.
I swear, Chad, do it. We'll give you $1.
I need a carrier.
Ha! Joke's on you.
This is actually where I needed a carrier. No, carrier wouldn't do anything either.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fucking Justin. Oh, wait. Oh, fucking Justin.
Oh, fuck, wait.
God
Oh,
damn
shit.
it. He doesn't use it.
Oh, what a bitch.
He doesn't use a lot.
Oh, fuck, wait. I mean, didn't use it.
I like Justin's build better than any of the builds.
You have a 6-star here, didn't you? Go ahead.
I think Chad, when he had Torrential, I think that if he would have activated Rabbit Chain Torrential, he would have made in this time.
Wow. Oh, is that what happens?
You're still in response to the summoning.
Wow, wind up able to beat Dragons with a bitch.
I could have ran the card.
That's why I asked him, Chad, how much did that rabbit mean to you?
Damn it.
Like, you would have killed his field, but you would have lost your rabbit. That's like literally the only thing.
That would have been a better idea. What time is it? 6:50. Shit, hurry up. Oh shit, 5 got popped out? Yeah. There's not enough room. I just need a damn dark one. Deck out. Honest. Something. Fuck. Hurry. Go hard. Go hard.
God damn it, you guys are making it shake.
I'm just going to remove the rabbit when you swing.
Looks like I'm recording an earthquake.
Oh, gosh. Interesting.
Yeah, well, I need my own MST now.
Deck out. Yep.
Soul Taker.
You can't sack for that.
Smashing.
But you can't mill for that.
Mill 2.
Wow, you fucking scrub or something?
Here we go. So sick. Oh shit, that was win,
Chad.
Oh my god, you lucky bitch. I think I'm just gonna try to. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. What can you draw? Circle. That's what I want to draw.
If it dies, it doesn't do anything.
Go.
Oh, just kidding, that's my one.
Wow.
I think it all matters on who draws
Jesus
the
Christ.
For
both of them, right?
Go.
We're jobless. Torment.
Wow.
Torment.
Draw Dark Hole next turn.
I can start killing this. No, I can't. That 5 god's too big.
I'd like to know how this field came to be.
Doesn't matter. The Reaper stopped it all.
First few
No, MST stopped it
No, he would have won, and then MC's like game shot.
Yeah, then it just blew from there.
He had 4 monsters, and then the standby came out. He was about ready to do something, and then the 5 got popped
just
out.
wait.
So go.
Plus the 300.
You're cutting it close.
Oh god, if I would have played it!
What are you at, Chad?
I don't know, but I just lost.
Metal.
What the hell happened?
Why wouldn't you play that?
He's
He's not gonna Lila, he's not gonna Raiko.
You can MST it.
Lost
3 of his MST.
Yeah, what? Game 3.
Heavy, 2 MSTs, and a Lila.
You could have just MST'd it or heavied it. I was gonna save it till I got enough things